Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful round coaster with these two colors. Here's what you'll need and here are the measurements. Here's my 80-inch cord and here are the rest of the bundle of cords. This is my 50-inch bundle, my 35-inch cords, my 26-inch cords, and here is my bundle of 18-inch grey cords. Let's begin. This 80-inch cord is going to be our base cord. Take one of its end, fold it to 25 inches so that it resembles the 50-inch cord when it's folded in half. Then take the first of the 5 50-inch cords, fold it in half, and start looping it in this 80-inch cord using reverse Lark's head knot. This is what it should look like. Then take the next one, again fold it in half, and continue the same procedure using reverse Lark's head knot. Repeating the same thing with this third one. Continue for this remaining two as well. Once you're done with that, tighten each of the knots that you've made. Then we'll be taking this and forming a circular loop. You string it through there and pull it out. This is what we are doing to tighten the loop. From here on, we'll be starting our half hitch knots. Take the longest string and then start looping all the other ones on top of it. After looping in the whole circle once, you'll notice that a gap is being formed. Now take one of the 35-inch cords, fold it in half, and repeat the same process as we did before for another round. Now that you see a gap forming, here is where you will take the next 35-inch cord and again repeat the same process by folding it in half and looping in. Here again with the next gap, the same process is being repeated. The next 35-inch cord, fold it in half and repeat looping. Now continue doing this for the rest of the circle. Every time you see gaps forming, we'll be adding the next strings. Now repeat the same thing with all of the 26-inch cords. And this is how we'll be making our circle bigger. By the time we finish this, all our 26-inch cords would be used. Now, at this point, 5 lines of the circle are over. Now, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the pink strings and dividing it into sections of 4 cords each. With each of the divisions that we made here, we'll be making a square knot all throughout the circle. Repeat the same to finish the circle. Just as you can see here, we'll be adding the grey cords folded in half, one by one, using reverse Lark's head knot. Just like we are doing here, repeat the same throughout the circle. Once you're done looping in all the grey cords, we'll be taking each section of them and making square knots. Complete these grey square knots throughout the circle. Once you're done with that, take the longest pink cord that you see and loop all the strings on it using double half hitch knots. Continue doing this till you finish the circle. Now that this is done, all that's left to do is trim away the excess cords. Here I measure 2 inches and then I roughly cut all the cords around the circle using this measurement. This is what the coaster looks like once you're done cutting all throughout. Now we'll be unraveling the remaining strings that are left out. Keep doing this to all the strings one by one. Now take a comb and brush through them to remove knots if there's any. Now trim the coaster to keep an equal length throughout the circle. At this point, I like to spray water across the ends so that it's easy for me to brush them finally and trim away anything else that's left. And now our beautiful coaster is ready. You can use it as home decor to keep it in your center table or your dining table. Thanks for watching.